we go. Pizza smell good. So let's go up then. Okay, let's have a quick tour of the room. So, first floor, 114, usual security credit card style. As you come in, you put your second card in to work the power. So first impressions, not the biggest, but you know, fit for purpose, I like to say, for a couple of nights trip. It's obviously been refurbished not too long ago. So you get a full length mirror, socket down there. You get one of these open wardrobes with hangers and shelf space. Good sized TV, desk with a chair, some more shelves there. Then you've got a good sized double bed, and then you get the net curtains and a mirror and a window that's on a restricted lock. We're on a first floor, but I think it goes up to like, I don't know, 12 floors or something like that. So you've got lights, plug sockets that have got a couple of USBs in, which is good. Charge up those devices. We've got the tea and coffee, no bickies though. You get a use of a hairdryer, and there is an extra pillar as well. And you've got these sort of lights that are mounted at the top. And then on the other side, again, replicates from the other side. Got a light, got the USB and the 3-plug sock, and then the lights at the top. It's a remote control. Storage space enough under the bed, which is good. And then this is where you've got the climate control for your heating and cooling, which is from that conditioning unit there. So all in all, quite a nice room. There's a bathroom pod there, which we'll go in a second. But yeah, I think one thing to notice, these towels. That's not a bath-sized towel, so they're a bit on the small side if you're showering. And Victor and I got one of these each, and then just one hand towel, which seemed a bit mean and stingy. So yeah, let's go and have a quick look in the bathroom pod. So it's on a curve. It's very space agey. You come in here, and you've got a sink with a single mixer tap. You've got a lit mirror, 3-point shaver gel, hand wash, very useful, a rail for your towel. So that's just one hand towel that we've got nothing else in there. The toilet, integrated flushing units, a couple of hooks, and that's the bath towel mat for coming out. And then Western style, there we go. You've got your single shower head dusher, which is quite good. And then you've got these shampoo and hair body wash, hand wash here. Don't know if you can see down here, it does bubble. Oh, make that sound. It's gone there. But if I close it up, got plenty of space to have a shower. The shower itself, not the best. Temperature control is pretty crap. Goes from very cold to extremely hot. I'm trying to get that balance is quite difficult, especially when it's running. So overall, not a bad room.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do click the like button below. And if you do like our content, please do subscribe to the channel. You'll get notifications of new videos hitting your YouTube screens. See you in the next one.